name's Laura Johnson. I've been with Pacific Coast Heavy Truck Group for 24 years. New to the Chilliwack location, we opened the beginning of November of 2017. I got the pleasure to set up the Modula system, and ever since it's been great.
I'm Travis Shields. I work for Pacific Coast Heavy Truck Group. Our branch has been open since last November. We're going to take a look at this Modula system. Definitely eliminates having a bunch of small boxes kicking around the warehouse and a bunch of parts lying around. So it is a very good asset to the company. Yeah.
We currently have active part numbers. We have 400, which is probably only maybe a third, not even a third of the capacity it can hold.
All the small piece parts or anything else that would kind of get in the way out there, definitely nice to have on the shelving in here, up and out of the way.
For space, it really, really helps because all your space is going up.
Since day one, we've been customizing the sizes of the shelving and different compartment sizes. It's super easy. All the grooves are already there. It's just a matter of measuring and then mapping it out on the computer program.
Referring to the loading of the machine, once you get the measurements down and how to measure them to format that into the main system, it's very easy and very fast, and very easy to teach somebody to do as well. One of the things that we like the most is actually relying on the quantity in, quantity out. So sometimes our DMS system might not be accurate, but we can always go to the Modula system.
When you're inputting something on there, you can just kind of get a list going and it'll keep continually grabbing and going to the next one. And so you're not sitting around waiting for it to grab it, come down, go back, grab the next one. So it's pretty efficient that way. The dual delivery tray system is a fantastic feature on this thing. After you've inputted it on the screen there, it'll highlight on the map where it is on the shelf itself.
Modula's greatest value for us would definitely it's the space. Space is really hard to come by and we need it.